One of South Africa's most beautiful cities is Gqeberha, nicknamed the Windy City. Have you ever wondered what it's like? Let me fill you in on what you're missing out on. But first, we need to see where we are in the world. Gqeberha is situated in the Eastern Cape, along Argyle Bay. The environment is my favorite part of the city, so let me show you a couple of places and things to do. First things first are the beaches. You can go for a surf and catch some sun at Pollock Beach. If you're feeling hungry after that, just walk a few meters and grab a meal at something good overlooking the beach. If you're in the area, take a drive to Cape Recife Lighthouse where you can visit the Penguins Rescue Center. If you're into hiking, we have a guinea fowl trail in the Barkens Valley. And if you want to see more wildlife, you can stop by Krokgama Reserve where you can find zebras, rhinos, cheetahs, and more. Gqeberha has so much more to offer. Trust me, Google us. This is our city.